I'm glad she stayed home. So at least if you're home working with your kids, they're learning to be good. Yeah. Because I'm proud of them when they're getting them awards.
Tanaman itu bagusnya kalau waktu kita ngerawat, kita juga berbicara dengan tanaman, dan juga bagus lagi kalau diputerin lagu-lagu yang halus dan slow gitu, teman-teman.
I have a question. Why do women cover
with the hijab?
Yeah.
Hai teman-teman, selamat pagi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apa kabar kalian? Semoga dimanapun teman-teman berada senantiasa dalam lindungan Tuhan Yang Maha Kuasa. Amin. Nah, pagi ini saya sudah bersama dengan kakak ipar tercinta, is my lovely sister-in-law. Are you lovely?
I'm lovely.
Ya, ini ya lucu teman-teman, gokil kayak Pak Wahid. Nah, menanggapi salah satu komentar dari teman kita tercinta, dan saya mohon maaf, saya ini slow respon juga orangnya karena ya kesibukan dan nyambi ini itu teman-teman ya. Dari Kak Benny Story 1702, beliau berkomentar, Mbak Hetty, coba yang komentar-komentar baik atau positif juga dikomentari, karena usul saya kok nggak pernah dikomentari, padahal positif dan nama saya juga pengen disebut. Usul coba buat vlog wawancara dengan saudara Pak Wahid, apa suka duka punya saudara dari Indonesia. Our friend in Indonesia like a curious, they want to know how you're feeling. You have like a sister-in-law from Indonesia. It's kind of different.
I think it's fun because you're learning different things from each other.
Yeah, culture too. Right?
Yeah, because I'm always curious of different countries, and I like the materials you guys wear, and I mean, it just looks pretty. It just. So I like how you teach your kids your language. You keep up on your culture and make sure they learn. I'd like to see, I wish I could see the reaction when they see your grandma in
Indonesia.
Yeah,
maybe next year. Kita mudik tahun depan, jadi
I don't know how
bagaimana
I'm gonna get
anak-anak
there.
bertemu grandmanya.
Yeah, with dialysis, it's hard to plan.
So like a personal, do you like me?
Yes. I was very happy, and that's the truth.
Yeah, thank you. Seperti itu teman-teman. So what you don't like about me? Do you have something to say?
There's nothing not to like because you're always busy. You're always taking care of the place. You care. You're not like my brothers and sisters, and they don't even come down or care or whatever what happens. I'm the only one, I think, that really spends more time with you.
Yeah,
I wish I had more time.
Memang selama saya di sini tuh cuman Sister Deb ini yang memang reguler datang ke sini teman-teman. Kalau yang lain itu ya barangkali kesibukannya mereka sendiri, terus juga jaraknya jauh. Tapi sebenarnya meskipun jarak jauh, harusnya kalau masih ada family di sini, terus ini juga what is that called? Is mama's place like that. Kalau mereka pengen mengenang rumah orang tua mereka atau tempat di mana mama dan papanya pernah tinggal gitu ya, seharusnya mereka ke sini. Tapi ya so far ya cuman Sister Deb ini yang ke sini.
I like to come down and visit. I like spending time with the kids too. Zebby and her school. She wants to be in school all day long, all night long. It's like, Zebby, I gotta have a break. And Virgil, he's another story. He's a character. He's a kind of a quiet, but he's very considerate. I notice the kids are very considerate. They're thankful. I mean, the way you're raising them,
Yeah.
because
I'm fully housewife, I'm at home.
yeah, and that's, I feel, is what a wife should be doing.
Yeah.
But you guys all work together as a family.
Mhm.
I noticed when you're sawing wood,
Yeah.
doing any garden, anything, you guys are all together.
Mhm.
And then-
Yeah, even with the kids, we try to.
But I'm happy. I'm happy you're making Frank happy. But I'm disappointed in him. He needs to lose weight and
Yeah.
really care about his family.
Yeah.
I'm glad she stayed home, though.
No, I ever try to work, but Frank, you better at home and how with the kids. If you work,
Well,
it's more complicated for him.
Well, yeah, the society
Mm-mm.
is getting very
And-
stressful. But if you sit and weigh,
Mm-mm.
working, home, look what all you're missing.
Yeah.
And then your kids are going to be going elsewhere, getting in trouble.
Mm-hmm.
So at least if you're home working with your kids,
Mm-hmm.
they're learning to be good. Yeah. Because I'm proud of them when they're getting them awards.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you ought to be beaming,
Mm.
glowing from Zeb and her awards, and Virgil and him getting something. What was that award for?
It's for polite and I don't know. Listen, be nice in the class, like helping other kids.
That's good. That's good that your kids are helping others.
It's like a Sabrine, the teacher. I'm silently admire her. She is so helpful. I keep watching her and she helping other kids. If other kid has trouble, she try to help. Like
That's
teacher
good.
said.
That's why I'm glad you're home and you're taking care of teaching the kids responsibility, and then Zeb, what, she's saving her money. That's good.
Yeah.
You want to save your money.
Sebenarnya Sister Deb ini kalau saya ngomong tentang mau mudik gitu, dia juga pengen ngikut ke Indonesia loh teman-teman. Dia itu penasaran seperti apa Indonesia gitu ya, orang-orangnya, lingkungannya, lingkungan rumahnya dan sebagainya gitu. Barangkali sangat berbeda dengan di sini ya. Right? You curious about go to Indonesia,
if I didn't have dialysis to do, I don't know how I'd work it because you probably don't have a setup down there.
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't know.
In case of emergency, I might have to go to the hospital or something.
Yeah, right. Jadi seperti itu. What do you like about Indonesian food that I cook? I'm not cook much yet.
No, but what I did taste was a little spicy. I can't handle that.
Yang nggak suka
spicy.
pedas. Tapi saya buatkan sup zucchini teman-teman, sup zucchini yang saya masak seperti
the zucchini soup I like.
Seperti sayur bening, kalau di Indonesia itu dia suka, katanya enak. Saya kasih irisan laos, katanya suka.
Yeah.
Saya bikin soto dan saya suruh dia mencicipi karena dia gitu juga orangnya penasaran teman-teman, dan dia nggak suka soto. Sticky rice. Yeah.
That was
apa ya dulu aku pernah bikin
texture.
Pernah bikin apa ya teman-teman dulu itu dari sticky rice itu apa namanya, pokoknya dari ketan itu dia nggak suka juga.
Yeah, it was kind of.
Barangkali saya aja yang nggak bisa masak enak, nggak tahu, dia nggak suka.
Yeah, I mean that's like you tasting our food.
Yeah.
What did you think about tasting our bland stuff?
Yeah, some of the stuff I like, but some of the stuff is not hot enough or not enough spices.
So you're adding.
Ini aku mau nge-trim tanaman cincau teman-teman. Sudah mulai rimbun gembel. Do you know what is this? It's a jelly tree. So we can make jelly from the leaves.
Oh, that's right. You said that before.
Yeah, jelly.
I don't know if I've tasted. Maybe I did taste it.
Maybe when you come next month, try to make jelly from this tree, from these
'cause I
leaves.
think you made a drink.
Iya, ini daun cincau, tanaman cincau.
Did you make a drink out of it?
Yeah, make like a jelly. The leaves we make a jelly, so make it thick like a jelly, and then make a drink from that. Ini aku trim
I
teman-teman. Kita
might
mau
have
trim.
tried it.
I don't know. You not even try it yet.
I don't think it's really my thing.
If you not try, then you not even know this is your thing or
I know.
not.
That's what I tell my grandkids. You at least gotta taste it.
Right. Try it.
If you don't like it,
If
then you don't like it.
ditanam di sini bisa hidup nggak teman-teman? Saya nggak tahu gimana cara nanam cincau.
No.
Gembel. Make sure talk to the tree, to the
Yeah.
plants.
I know it does look healthy.
Iya. Ini kata kakak ipar, tanaman itu bagusnya kalau waktu kita ngerawat, kita juga berbicara dengan tanaman, dan juga bagus lagi kalau diputerin lagu-lagu yang halus dan slow gitu teman-teman. Kalau kita putar lagu-lagu yang metal, itu biasanya tanaman akan mati. Metal itu yang ngerok gitu loh teman-teman. Saya nggak tahu bener apa enggak. Iya kan? The plants, if you put the rock music, the metal music,
They don't like that. They like soft music.
Tuh teman-teman kata kakak ipar seperti itu.
Yeah, they like the soft music.
Tanaman bisa cepet mati kalau denger apa teman-teman, musik yang keras ya, seperti rock gitu. Saya belum pernah mempraktekkan karena saya nggak mau tanaman saya mati. Katanya seperti itu. I put paring soil, miracle grow.
Yeah, you gotta feed it.
Kita butuh makan, tanaman pun butuh makan, butuh nutrisi, butuh minum.
I know I wished I could live here, but I don't foresee it happening right now. We got our house, and I like the space here, and it's at home. It's so cluttered and crowded, and you just sit there and get through your junk. Piles. You should see the basement. It's piles.
And you cannot even throw it away.
If I touch any of his stuff, he has a conniption fit.
Oh. Bring phone with you everywhere, just in case you need help, then can call 911, call who?
Yeah, I tell him that. I said, you call for help if I fall. Yeah, he's got them over here.
This one also from the box.
Yeah, it's in that box. She went through it one day and showed me what was in there.
Yeah.
What'd you think when you came in and saw that?
Yeah, just kind different from our culture. Memang waktu pas babynya Zep itu, ini kakak-kakak ipar gather together. Kita melaksanakan baby shower teman-teman. Yeah, in our place, if we have baby like that, when we get home from the hospital, like until 7 days or 10 days, always has a neighbor that come to our place, bring the goods, and treat and
All
something
the
like
good
that.
stuff.
Mm-mm.
You have like for how many days?
Yeah, like 7 days or 10 days. Always has a
7
neighbor
to 10
come.
days
Mm-mm.
after you have the baby in
Yeah,
your home.
in our hometown there. After baby born, we have like a big celebration. It's like we cook for so many people to come and doing pray, so the baby is healthy and like that.
You have like baptize them.
Baptize is just only for the certain religion, right? We are Muslim, so we have our own way to do like yes,
Yeah.
prayer like that.
'Cause it
Different.
depends on the religion.
Yeah, baptize is depend what the religion do. We have akikah. Ya, like this. Sekarang untung ada Google seperti ini, teman-teman. Kalau kita nggak tahu, nggak bisa menjelaskan secara detail,
For
kita
a baby
bisa
boy
nanya Google.
involves the sacrificing 2 sheep or goats on the 7th day after his birth as a sign of gratitude to God.
Ya,
The meat is then divided into 3 parts. 1/3 for the family, 1/3 to be given as gifts to friends and neighbors, and 1/3 for charity to the poor and needy. Additionally, on the same day, the baby's head is shaved, and a silver equivalent to the weight of the hair is given as charity.
Yeah.
Yeah,
like
so
we
key
are Muslim.
aspects of a baby boy:
2
sheep or 2 goats, and timing, meat distribution. Naming the child also takes place on this day. But what about the girls?
The girl 1 sheep.
Just 1 and then in thirds split.
Yeah, just like how you read before. I cannot explain so well. So
Yeah,
just
looks
add.
like I can see for a female 1 sheep.
Yeah.
This is a point of agreement among jurists. Optimal. For the boy, the most complete optimal is 2 sheep. I have a question. Why do women cover
with the hijab?
And the girls do too. What's the?
Yeah. Ini kakak ipar nanya kenapa Muslim woman hijab, yeah, hijab.
Hijabs for various reasons, including religious devotion, modesty, and a sense of identity. It is seen by many as an act of worship and submission to God's command to dress modestly. Wearing a hijab can also be a way to reject social standards that objectify women and serve as a visible symbol of their faith. Fulfilling a commandment. Worship is viewed as an act of worship and submission to Allah. Modesty helps shift focus from physical appearance to inner qualities and character. Now, I always wondered why protection. Women feel it acts as a shield from unwanted attention, harassment, and objectification, empowerment, and control. Some view it as a way to control their own bodies and how they are perceived by others. Resistance can be a form of resistance against social pressures and standards of feminine beauty and demand more exposure. Yeah, I suppose that so they don't look at you like, hey, like, sexy babe.
Yeah, avoid kind harassment or
Yeah,
people like the body is so sexy or something.
yeah, that's what I tell Adele. Be
Yeah.
careful what you're wearing.
Mm-mm.
I guess that makes sense. I guess I never thought of it.
Ya, jadi seperti itu ya teman-teman, bincang-bincang kita dengan kakak ipar untuk pagi ini. Dan terima kasih Kak Beni yang sudah berkomentar mengusulkan saya untuk membuat vlog wawancara dengan kakak ipar. Ya, itu tadi jawabannya. Beliau so far katanya suka dengan keberadaan saya di sini teman-teman, karena ya saya usahakan untuk menjaga tempat ini dengan baik juga ya. Seperti yang saya share di video-video yang bisa teman-teman juga saksikan ya. Semoga wawancara kita yang cukup singkat ini bisa mengobati rasa penasaran dari Kak Beni dan juga teman-teman semuanya. Dan terima kasih sekali lagi saya ucapkan. Terima kasih bagi yang sudah menonton dan setia menemani kita di sini. Akhir kata, salam damai, salam sukses selalu. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Seperti itu aja.
I wish I could meet your sister and her kids.